Hi, Anton from Real Estate. Welcome to my channel. Today I will talk about two things. One, still as always, about the real estate market in East Auckland, especially about Real Eastern Groups, about our auction result. Two, today I will share my thought with you about the financial market, some new rate change, some new rule change from different banks, what the influence to the market, what should we do as the normal home buyers and normal homeowners. I hope you like it. Firstly, we talk about the auction result for Real Eastern Group for last week. We have done 16 auctions and we sold 13 under the hammer. All of those 16 auctions, we have done that on our online platform. So we are getting really good at that. So after the lockdown, we have done so many of that auctions and we achieve outstanding result. For the past month or so, our auction clearance rate is constantly above 80%. There's no doubt from those 13 out of 16 results showed you we are still in the seller's market. So that's the first one. Secondly, I want to share my thoughts with you about the new change to the finance market, what the influence to the marketplace. Recently, you might notice some of the major banks, they are keep increasing their interest rate, especially for the loan rate. And some of the bank, they increase even a couple of times within a very short period of time. So that's definitely put some pressure in the people's mind. That's the first thing. And also last week, we see one major bank, which is BNZ, there's some information out. They already have the DTI in place for their loans. So the DTI, the debt to loan ratio. So the BNZ stand is 6 times. That means you cannot borrow more than 6 times of your gross income. From that angle, that will be, I would say, heavily decrease some of the buyers their borrowing capacity. So from all of this, we can see the interest rate is going up. The DTI starting to apply from some of the banks. So the supply and demand, it will change. Currently, for the people who already get the loan approved, that will not influence them. But in the future, it will have the big influence. So there's a very limited window of opportunities currently. For the buyers, whoever you have the loan done, already applied, you should really process that, in my opinion, because later on, if you still want to buy the same property that today you can afford, by the new rules apply when the interest rate going up and you might not be able to afford to buy it. Regardless, the market is going up or going down. Later on, if your borrowing capacity drop significantly, it will change the picture for you. So you should take actions, regardless the market going up or going down. And for the people who are thinking about selling, and this is a very stable time, you know what's happening, from what the information are sharing, the market is really, really strong. So you have plenty of buyers right now. Within the next month or two, for all of the people who already have the pre-approval, you still have them. So it's a certainty. But if you wait until early next year, things could change. I'm not saying the market will going down or anything like that. I'm not mean that, but it could happen. So the supply and demand, there are changes over there. But if you want certainty, don't take the risk. Right now is a good time. So lastly, I want to still ask you if you have any intention about selling or purchasing. If you need any help, we are here. Please just make an inquiry, text me or call me or email me. We are here to help. And if you want to hear any other information from my future episode, please leave a note for me. Thank you for watching. Cheers.